Right, section C, 8 marks here. This is where you are going to make a decision about those 3 final dishes, so that's really important. There's several strands leading up to them. You need to show a link up in the way that your skills have improved so that you can link to your final dish and that high level skill that you want to show off in the final exam. You also need to think of the nutrition in your food, and you need to think, are these 3 dishes going to be part of the same meal? Are they going to be served as 3 separate meals? Is up to you. Really look back at your brief at this point and make sure that the nutrition in there is representative of the brief and what's required to meet the brief. The other part of section C is to produce a really detailed time plan, and I cannot overemphasize how important it is to do this really, really well. We're talking about 3 dishes, all the tasks needed to produce those 3 dishes being dovetailed together, and in amongst that, any other information that you think is important. It might be your mise en place, it may be your kitchen safety and hygiene, it may be something about storage of your food. This will be a marked piece of work. It's not just something you take into the kitchen as a reference. It will actually be looked at by the examiner. So it needs to be very, very clear. Within your time plan, I would have a little bit of wiggle room. You never know when an issue is going to crop up. If you don't need that time, then you can always do some extra cleaning, show off some kitchen hygiene. Never be caught just standing in your kitchen doing nothing, because believe me, that 3 hours goes really, really quickly. Think about MasterChef. That's what you'll be doing in your final exam.